mosquito-free night would be excellent. Magadan umagapo. Good morning from Malcapuya Island. This is where we slept last night. Mosquito net. Very important. Always watch your head. I usually put a strap to remind myself. We did some amazing snorkeling out here, a very unique marine environment. That's what always amazes me about the Philippine seas, is that they can get rough when the wind kicks up, but then they can just be this amazing placid water. It's crystal clear water too, by the way. This is a kelp bed right out here, seagrass. Not too tall, it's only like 6 inches tall. So you can glide over that and see some amazing Okay, I think I'm going to go through all of the equipment we travel with when we go remote. It's important to be very compact, but have everything you need. Sunglasses first. So the camera equipment, I always use I'm using a GoPro 12 now. This is non-underwater mode. I did a time lapse of the sunrise this morning with it. You go underwater, you want to put the casing on it, and for snorkeling, which is what we did this time, freediving, you use a lighter filter. That way, in post-edit, you can bring out the right colors of the underwater life. And we're recording on a Sony right now for terrestrial work. We travel with our own fins, Armellus fins. I have booties because for scuba diving I usually wear those. I use the strapped fins for that. Booties are worn out, but no problem. We each have our own masks and snorkel set up. Always bring a little bottle of baby oil, baby shampoo I mean. One drop in there, rinse it out, and that will keep it from fogging. Our battery pack in a waterproof case. I also have a Olympus camera for underwater use. We always travel with our own portable battery packs. It has a variety of cabling options, charging your Wi-Fi on your iPhone, etc. Rash guards. So, since I'm fair-skinned, I have to be super cautious in the sun. So I usually go out in the water with a full rash guard, full sleeved, and even hoodie. So I put that on after my mask, protect my scalp while I'm out in the water. Because if you're out in the water for 45 minutes or an hour, guess what? You're basically under a magnifying glass, and the back of your legs and the life will be toast. So you do have to use a lotion every day. Every morning I just put it on. And you're going to spray it on, rub it on, get it all on your face. Very important. We each have our drones. I have the latest, I'm not sure if it's the latest, but I have the Spark, the DJI Mini Pro, I think is what they call it. It's a very quiet drone. It's very easy to use. I have my own heads-up display on it and stuff. What else? Variety of hats again for sun protection. You got the full round hat, like the safari hat or whatever they call it. But for the trip in to town, I'm going to go with my trusty worn Adidas cap. This is, you put this around your neck so that when you're on the boat, flyaways are caught. Leonard. Very simple things like that. Got my little toiletry case. For nighttime, you want to use a cave headlamp. It takes 3 AAAs. They're very bright, very useful. We use a variety of waterproof small bags to store stuff because we transfer from a boat. Sometimes the transfer is a water transfer. You don't actually get the board on land, you have to swim. So these are the example of the smaller ones. And you can put your wet gear in there too. Keep it. We have a variety of other little cases. These are camera cases, but we use them for storing cords and the like. Very easy and convenient. We do have a first aid kit. Very limited, but we haven't actually used any of this. We've got various Sudafed. We've got what's the
Dramamine.
Dramamine for seasickness. I never get seasick. Band-aids, a lotion, some antiseptic, some gloves, various things like that. Put whatever you need in there. You should always have your own kit prepared. Usually the tour has a kit, but don't want to rely on that. What else have we got here? I think that just about covers it. One more thing. These are our backpack, waterproof backpack bags. So you put your other bags in there, wrap it up. That's all waterproof. And then I use this Aqualung dive bag for all the dive gear. The big fins attached to the bottom of that, the small fins go inside, all the mask gear goes in there. Anything water related. And finally, I actually have 2 or 3 rash guards. The other one long sleeve with no hood, and another one sleeveless. But they're all good. And we have our microfiber travel towels. And that's it. Pants it. You say hello, and I say goodbye.
Hello, goodbye.